Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You, and I have total 13 plus years of IT industry experience. TCS is one of the biggest MNC, but there is some reason, and TCS lost the trust among freshers. Earlier, freshers were dying to get into TCS, but now the craze has gone down, and we will try to analyze the exact or the actual reason in this particular video. And now TCS is definitely trying to gain the trust, but it will take time. But we need to understand what exactly has happened and what is the reason behind losing the trust among freshers. Okay, before that, friends, I request all of you to please subscribe to the YouTube channel, because here you will be seeing lot of hiring videos, preparation videos, okay, referral hirings, or current hirings, previous hirings. So all those things you will be able to see in our channel. So you should and must subscribe to the channel and do like the video also, because it takes a lot of effort in bringing the genuine content among you. Okay, now, so friends, one thing which everyone will say, TCS delays the onboarding, lack of clear communication, 35 days bench policy, and 30,000 plus layoffs in 2025 by TCS, right? So definitely you might be seeing there is 6 to 8 months of delay, or probably 12 months of the delay also in onboarding, because you don't know, there are many internal things which happens inside a company. Okay, so 8 to 12 months onboarding, lack of clear communication. That means, see, written test, okay, written test, interviews, everything will happen on time. Okay, but after that, after interview, when the result will be announced, when the date of joining will happen, so all these things remains unclear. Okay, 35 days bench policy, so they brought very strictly 35 days bench policy in 2025. Now it is bit relaxed. So if you are unable to get a project in 35 days, then you will be laid off. Okay, see, the thing is, getting the project inside the company, okay, is job of company, not employees. If employee has knowledge, if there is no project, what employee will do, you tell me. Okay, 30,000 plus layoff in 2025. This was done for restructuring TCS, so that also we will talk about that. But before that, I have a question to you all, because I see at many posts, right, people will be laughing, or they will be putting some kind of unusual comments. You tell me, which company, one single service based company, you tell me, who has the fixed joining date and clear communication? Infosys, let me tell you. So even after 2 years, right, there was no indication that there'll be any date of joinings. Okay, Tech Mahindra, they won't even respond after years. Capgemini, they won't even respond after a year. Now you tell me one single company which gives you, forget about joining date, the written test, the interview. Okay, Accenture, you see, sending the mail, okay, that you are eligible for writing the test. After that, there is no update. If you are giving the test, then for interview there is no update. Cancelling the interview. After interview, you don't even know when your result will come. After result, when you will get the date of joining, that you forget only. So not even a single company has the clear communication and the fixed joining date, because the service based company works in that way itself. Okay, we will, that also I will try to tell you. And see, I am able to tell you these things. The reason is, I have vast experience in service based as well as product based companies. 13 years I have worked, and I am continuing in IT companies. Okay, so that I'm going to tell you. But when you talk about all those things about TCS, you think which company has given you the proper timeline, the proper deadlines. No company, even on campus, off campus, anything, they will not be giving it to you. Okay, at least TCS, the date they will tell, okay, this date exams will be there, this date interviews will be there, and after interview you will get the results. Onboarding is one challenge. Okay, fine. Now, so I have separated in three parts, okay, and one by one we will see. So little bit I will tell you about service based company. So TCS, Infosys, all are service based company. That means they provide services to other company. Like they will get a project from let's say Cisco, and then they will tell, okay, so if certain kind of cloud deployment is there, or if certain kind of customer support is there, so all those things, or if certain kind of development is there, so that we will do it. Okay, that will do it. They don't have their own product. And now suppose TCS sales team, right, or their top management team, so their duty is to get the project. Now they are into a discussion, and then they signed a deal that there is a project of suppose whatever $1.3 billion or whatever it is. I'm just giving an example. Now they will start hiring. Now they will start hiring based on the deal they have done. Many times the deal gets impacted, okay, or many times the number of employees which they wanted for this deal, okay, they will have to reduce it. All those things they will have to do it. So all these things, right, it impacts your onboarding. Okay, now see, they will be getting multiple deals, and based on that all those things will be happening. So that is the reason of your delayed onboarding in all service based company. They will not be sure when the projects they will start working. Okay, and also they need people to train them. TCS hires in bulk, around 40,000 per year they hire. Okay, so that they do every year, because I wanted to deep dive into what is the problem this service based company generally faces, and that actually impacts us. So that is the reason they will not have the clear communication. Okay, see, product based companies and all, they know they have a product, okay, and their engineers are there. So when they know that they have a product and they're going to develop or they're going to work on this, they will hire immediately, and everything will be fixed. The timeline, the deadline, everything will be fixed. But service based, it doesn't happen that way. Okay, now TCS did one more mistake, laying off some of the freshers in 2025 and mass rejection in 2025. That they would not have done as part of this restructure. But whenever there will be a restructuring happening, the employees will get impacted. Okay, now let us see. So one thing, the TCS image was, see, during the mock interviews, when I ask many of the candidate, why do you want to join TCS? So these are the honest answers. Sir, there is a job security in TCS. Sir, there is a work-life balance in TCS. Sir, TCS is like a government job. Okay, so you just go, punch in, come out, again go punch out, and then come. But what are you learning? So that we never think about it. Okay, so we always think of this thing, job. See, if you want job security, work-life balance, then you go for the government job, right? Okay, so this was the image till 2025 or before 2025 restructuring. Okay, restructuring, because TCS doesn't lay off in that big numbers generally. Okay, see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, it will be there in every company. Now friends, one thing we need to understand is IT market is competitive. Have you seen any government offices improvement? See what I say, yesterday TCS was working on the projects which did not have AI. Today TCS is working on the projects where AI is there. But in government office, you see your blocks, right? So you see your block. So yesterday also they were doing the same thing. So they will give you this let's say, I don't know much about it, like what they do, but some kind of proof, right? So income proof, okay, residential proof. So all those things they will be keep doing. Today also they are doing the same thing. Okay, and if there is some improvement, that improvement will be happening only with the softwares. So earlier they were doing on paper. Now because they have softwares, they move to computer. Okay, tomorrow they will be moving to the software which these companies will provide. Passport office, right? So there are many project office of passport offices which TCS has taken. Okay, So IT market is competitive. If TCS has to survive in the market, then TCS has to compete with Infosys, TCS has to compete with Capgemini, TCS has to compete with Cognizant. So this kind of things will definitely not be there. The job security, if you have knowledge, if you are keep upskilling yourself, then job security is not a problem. You will be able to survive in the market. If this company is laying off, you will get that company. Okay, there are a hell lot of companies are there, you will be getting the job. That is not a problem. Work life balance, Saturday Sunday you have holidays, right? And in private job you won't find that kind of work life balance what you have in government job. That is there. Okay, fine. The improvement happens in government job only through the IT. So now this TCS, this image has changed. So one restructuring was expected, but not in the way it was done. Okay, see, not by impacting freshers. So that I am totally, impacting freshers. So because see, freshers know you are in such a stage, right? So now you are in such a stage that however someone wants to mold you, if someone wants you to work on Java, no, then they can teach you and you can work. Now if you'll ask me that if I'm working on Java from last 10 years, if you'll ask me now you work on Python, now you work on this thing, it is very, very difficult. But freshers, you can do it in your own way. Okay, so you can mold them, you can ask them to learn this, you can ask them to learn that. So impacting the freshers during your restructuring, this is my point of view. Okay, and you also can think of whatever I'm trying to tell you, you may align with whatever I'm telling you, right? So TCS would have led off only the top level managements who failed to bring the project. See, like people say in villages, भाई अगर पिताजी जो है, अगर बड़े जो है घर के ठीक नहीं है, तो obviously that छोटे impact हो जाते हैं. See, if you are 4 or 5 siblings and the second one, if they are going on the wrong track, then definitely you will be also bit impacted. So जब गर्लफ्रेंड छोड़ के गई थी तो इतना एनालिसिस नहीं किया था जितना ये TCS ने ट्रस्ट तोड़ा है. ओके, फाइन. एनीवे, so now you don't replace with your this thing. So TCS should have laid off only the top level management. What were we doing? How this image was created? Why this image was created? Who is responsible for that? A fresher. Do you have anything in your hand? नहीं, चलो भाई कंपनी के रूल्स चेंज कर देते हैं. You can't do it. This image was created by the top level management. I know many people will start putting comments or scolding me, but you only think who created this image? Who created this image, right? And if a company is failing to get the project, company is responsible, the top level management is responsible. Freshers, where you have control to get the project, man, right? So that you do not have it. TCS should have let off only the non-performing employee from the top level management. So there are many sitting on the top level management, or there were many. See, these things you also will agree with me. I don't know if somebody from your family, maybe your parents or someone who is sitting in the top level management TCS, I do not, have any intention, but there are people, I'm not telling everyone, okay? So they would have done that, okay? Bringing the bench policy was one mistake, as bringing project is companies or sales team of the company responsibility and not an employee responsibility. Even if you have 10 years of experience in the company, you are not responsible to bring the project. No, will you go to US, you will go to UK, and then you will tell that give me the project, we will do this. That is not your responsibility. You are an engineer and your job is to develop, test or whatever, okay? So that is your job. So this bench policy, they should not have made it very, very strict, because they were just finding out the reasons, and this was part of that. TCS itself was responsible for all these situations. Okay, why top level management created a government job image of TCS? There'll be boards will be there, CEO will be there, right? So they have to take. See, I'm telling you, I'm not the the person who can exactly judge, but I'm a person who can think. Okay, and all this we can think in a very common way. Okay, so there is nothing like this you cannot think or I can only think. No, this we all can relate. One restructuring was required, but not by doing this with fresher. See, one restructuring in TCS was required so that they can get good project, you can work on good technology, things becomes smooth, and that is what is happening now. Now definitely from 2026 the things are going to be smooth. 2025 mass rejection was part of restructure, and it was again a bad decision. So this I am not in, earlier also I was not in favor, now also I am not in favor. It's not like because I wanted to sell the course. Okay, see, selling the course means I wanted to crack your TCS examination, and for that some resources will be required. There are a lot of resources that are there on YouTube, but it is not structured. Okay, you have to restructure it, and you don't have that much of time to restructure, and that is what we do. We create the content which is relevant for your exam. So that is the reason that all those things comes in picture. But whatever things happened, that is what I'm trying to tell you. But now I could see in 2026 there is a good scope. Okay, so they have announced multiple hirings: smart hiring, TCS Atlas hiring, TCS MBA hiring. Okay, so now the process should be smooth, because wherever the damage was there, the problem was there, the disease was there, that has been corrected. More than 30,000 plus layoffs was planned or was done in 2025. This I am not saying, this is said by Google, you can also search it. Okay, so now TCS is gaining the trust again, but it will take some time. Okay, and I know 2025 batch will never accept that, because they were the victims of this restructure. Okay, and I am feeling very sad for them, but what to do? Whatever is there in your fate. See, if in your fate something better opportunities are there, you will not get this opportunity. See, it's not like TCS is the best company. There are many other companies are there which is best, better and good than TCS. Okay, so if something better in your fate, then definitely you won't get. Okay, so that way you have to take it. Now, so friends, we have launched ATS based resume, because many of the students were facing problem with resume building. So now here, see, definitely this is our product, so I only have to advertise it. You say advertise it or sell it, but one thing I always think about the student. When we launch this website today also, it is, you are getting a resume, a ATS based resume, where you can check your ATS score. Okay, so where AI is writing for you, 2 minutes your resume will be ready, company specific, which nobody will give you, right? So here you see, bhai kahan chale ja rahe ho? Here you see, so freshers resume company wise. Okay, so company wise resume we developed, and definitely we are the only one who are providing this kind of things right now in India. Okay, and 25 rupees only we kept the price. Now if you go here, I think it will not be it is cashed. No. Okay, so 25 rupees all the templates we released, so that students get benefited, and this is a product by Online Study for You. So I am responsible for bringing it in front of you. So please don't say this is a sales strategy, or I'm trying to sell it, or I'm trying to, okay, that is, all those things are okay, but if you're getting benefited just by 25 rupees, right, one tea price, then you should definitely use it. Thank you, take care, all the very best. Hope you understood the complete insight of a company. Okay, how it runs, what was the problem, how it is rectifying. So please do like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.